out here doing yard stuff. We did the azaleas, we trimmed them back. I don't know if we did it right, but we got a bunch to make clippings out of, so we're gonna try to do that right. I already learned how to not do grapevines, so we'll see how this time goes. And we got some other bushes that are there, and I don't know if you got any of the other footage, but Ayla found this cool flower, and it's beautiful. Look at her. Yeah. The one. And I've been mowing out here, and the idea is to get all this cleaned out again, and I foresaw this little sit spot right here. I can clean out some of those limbs, and I think as long as I don't kill any roots, you know, uproot any trees, we're good. But if I get in trouble, I don't know, I'm sorry, I don't know. But yeah, there's just a bunch of mess that's grown up over here. Like wherever there's some briars and whatnot. Oh, and the cacti. This cactus, man. When I was a kid, we used to come out here, and this cactus was like 1,000,000 miles away from the swim spot. But even though it was just, you know, a few feet, but it sure felt like a big doing to come out here. And then my dad would take me up to this graveyard that was a real graveyard, but it had deer skulls in it, and he told me it was a dinosaur graveyard. I was so mad when I found out they weren't dinosaurs, but it was a really cool thing for a long time. So that's what we're doing. I've been mowing. I'm really just gonna try to trim it out of there so we can like sit under there and stuff. So here I go. All right, we got it done. Well, this part of it. Check out my cute tree now. You can stand under it and junk. You can sit down here where the loppers are. Sit here on a towel and have a picnic or whatever you have under trees in the shade on the summertime, like ice lemonade. You watch the people over there swimming. It's great. Isn't that cool? This thing hadn't been cleaned out in years. I've never cleaned it out, so however long that is. I don't know what to do with that yet. It's just a pile for now till we move it. Deal with it. We can't burn it down here because the rules say don't do that, and also it's really windy, so that wouldn't work anyway. Hey man, sit spot, tree spot, looking spot, shade spot. Woo! We got the all-American beef brats and the all-American cast iron. Got the mac and cheese going. Wise man once taught me, just put that sauce right in the pot right when you're about to strain it. It heats it up, makes it easier to work with so you don't have to get your grubby little grippers all in the cheese. Come here, man. Gotta show you how you gotta do the thing. Put it back in the pot. The cheese is actively warm. Actively warm. Will burn the mess out of you. And you get your little knife in there, and then it just like oozes out. It don't look no different, but I swear it's warm. I gotta get my grippers in the cheese. Yeah. Well, I didn't do Zach very proud. This didn't work at all. Check that out. And if there's something just off me, they could be doing better. It was out to drink old Milwaukee, just sitting on Afton Hill, just me and my old mill.
Look how he like hovers.
It's big scary bugs. Alright, because we don't know what we're doing, but we've seen a lot of stuff on YouTube. We're gonna take this dirt and put it in there and chop up that stuff and make baby plants out of it. I got a lid with a hole in it. It's gonna be great. Hopefully this is like a greenhouse. If it doesn't work, then it won't work. Let's see what happens. What do you say? Just, you're supposed to look for the, like the little, you said new growth. I'm gonna try, oh, like this stuff here, right? There's a whole bunch of stuff here. I'm sure something's, hey, this looks like a pretty good one right here. Yoink. All right, step one. Again, sanitize your shears.
Wait, sanitize them again?
No. Oh, and he did say, yoink them little flower buds out of there. I don't know what I'm referencing. There's a YouTube video. Find it. It's not this one. And then he also said, Shlook. And so our little guys get feet. X-Acto blade. Dude, I don't know. Is that gonna be deep enough? I mean, I don't know. I mean, it'll do something. Maybe I'm supposed to cut this off again so I can get enough. Yoink. Perk up, little guy. Alright, I guess that's how you start an azalea, dude. We've got plenty of room. We're bound to get some kind of success rate. I'm just gonna go for it, man. We got plenty.
Just, yeah,
some of them are gonna not. Others will. Right? Just yoink, 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 yoink. Yeah, man. That looks right.
They look good.
No, they don't. They need to wake up.
I mean, they look good in there.
Yeah. Baby azaleas in the dirt. Disclaimer, we are not gardeners. We have no freaking idea what we're doing, but we put plants in a bucket and we hope they go. I'm sure the kind internet would let us know if we're wrong. Mm-hmm. Or the universe. She's pretty good at that too. So, there you go. Azaleas. And it's got a date on it, but you can't see it. We're going to put some water in this and then put that lid on it. And it's going to do stuff. Maybe. Because science.
And if there's something Chuck has taught me, it was how to